look at the GMC Finish Pro Wide Belt Sander, which is the FP-2560 deburring and finishing machine. This sander has the capacity to handle 24-inch wide material and is constructed with a rugged steel framework. It comes standard with an 8-inch 45-durometer contact drum, 10 horsepower main motor, 1 horsepower feed motor, and a 1 horsepower lift motor. It also features a digital thickness display, power height adjustment, conveyor reverse, sanding head jog, and a manual feed speed control. In addition, the FP